Let me tell you a familiar story. One of your employees, let's call him Alex, goes to an industry trade show. He has some great conversations, visits a vendor's booth, and before he leaves, the vendor hands him one of these. A free USB stick with their latest presentations and product specs. Alex heads back to the office. He wants to share that presentation with his team, whose computers are all on the company's internal network. So he sits at his desk, plugs in his unchecked USB drive straight into his workstation. Without knowing it, Alex may have just introduced malware into your network. That drive could be carrying ransomware, a virus, or other malicious codes picked up along the way. So how do we let Alex do his job and import that presentation without putting the company at risk? Instead of plugging the trade show drive into his computer, Alex walks up to the USB scan station. He plugs the untrusted drive into the first port. In the second port, he plugs in a clean, company-approved drive. He selects the files he needs on the touchscreen. The station then scans them through multiple antivirus engines, removes any malicious code, and transfers only the safe, clean files to the company drive. Then Alex takes the clean drive, plugs it into his workstation, and shares the presentation. The threat is eliminated. The network stays safe, and business keeps moving. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to raise your organization's cybersecurity level. Simply good cyber hygiene.